It was a dark evening in Cumberland Square. There was a very nice party in Cumberland Gate, but there was a goblet made and Lord Cumberland was killed. Dun, dun, dun! I have a speech. Lord Cumberland! Are you okay? Hello?
Lord Cumberland has been murdered. Cause has been unknown, but court will be in session immediately. All will be solved eventually. Court is in session. Before the defendants start their accusations, all defendants do any due diligence like to make any accusation.
I saw him put red liquid into the goblet before he passed it on to me, which I passed it on to the Lord.
Actually, after Bob gave that cup to Kuma, he went out somewhere into the Lord's chamber.
I saw him give the cup to the Lord, so I think that he must be the murderer. Also, I saw the gym. I saw him exit the hall, and go into the Lord's private chamber.
Time for physics. After searching the park for 5 hours, the crew thought they would never see Kuma again. Dun, dun, dun!
Now that Kuma is gone, I can murder someone else.
Wah, ha, 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 ha. What is going on here?
Wait. I'll explain.
You better explain now.
Many unbearable hours later.
Good, you're in prison now. You really deserve it. Lying in court too.
I wasn't lying.
Nice. Belong to you.
Yeah.
You are now recruited into the police force.
Well done.
2,000 years later.
Someone